Right, here we have, or we should have, all the way from Singapore, a collection of Futera Unique Liverpool cards from 2016. And here they are, security sealed. Now we're going to open them, and we're going to hope to find some rare signed cards, hopefully, or some production cards would be even better. Just want to make sure I don't damage the box when I open it. So here we are, 4 packets, all sealed, a certificate. Not sure if this suggests that I'm going to have a Mythicals card inside, but we'll find out. So, 4 boxes. Let's start with box number 1. Again, I don't want to damage the box as I open it. Should be quite clear straight away if I've got any rare ones in there. Okay, I can see something special in there. Let's have a look through, see what we have. So I'll quickly go through the normal base cards. That's the first special card. Got a Danny Ings Heritage card. We have a Harry Kewell training used memorabilia, memorable card. And that's pack 1. Pack number 2. Okay, so pack number 2. We have the standard cards. And we have a kit card for Nathaniel Klein. Some more standard cards. No more specials in there. That's box number 2. Box number 3. Still hoping for a signed card or a production set. Let's see what we can find in here. Set number 3. Standard cards. There's your first heritage card, Connor Randall. And more standard cards. And you have another unique memorabilia card of Emil Heskey, and more standard cards. Now on to box number 4, and that's the final box that we have to open. So hopefully this should have a signed card or a production set, according to what all these boxes should contain. So final packet. Looks like we have a couple of special cards in there. let's go through the standard cards first. These ones are all standard. And then we have a Steven Gerrard memorable memorabilia card, very nice. And then we've got, aha, there we go, there's the signed card. Oh, Joel Matip. There we go. And final few cards. So basically, all in all, not bad. We have 2 memorable memorabilia cards. We have a kit card, a superstar, and there's the signed card. So all in all, quite a good selection.